This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 94 of Building the Infinity Gauntlet and the 10th and final part of the little finger, the final finger. So after looking through the magazine, we'll get on with that and finish off the finger. The Return of the Eternals. I'd rewatched the Eternals film and quite enjoyed it again. It was alright. Didn't deserve the hate that it got, but there you go. They obviously live forever in the comics. All good stuff. So yes, part 10 of the little finger, exactly the same as we've done before. It's got a different shaping to this. Obviously, it's to do with how it fits into the gauntlet itself. But we've got that to go on, cover, go over, screw in, then the cover over. And that is the finger bit finished. We've just got the final part round the inside of the hand and the final side to do. Very, very nearly there. Captain Glory, the Kree super soldier. Interesting. Captain Glory. They've run out of proper names, haven't they? There we go. There we go. That's all of that. And Valero Chitti. Gods and Emperors. Another Italian artist. That's quite interesting. Certainly get some worldwide talent through it, don't we? All right, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get this finger finished. So we have the finger so far. We've got our final piece of the puzzle to put in place. That will just snap over the top. Snap, get it? Because it's, you know, the gauntlet. There we go. I've got the screw ready already to go in there, which makes sure that it's located properly and all where it should be. Tighten it down fully because otherwise it won't work. There we go, nearly there. Feel it biting in and locking down this outside piece nicely. There we go, that's locked down there. And then that needs to go and cover the screw hole, just like all the previous ones have done. There we go, and I'll push that down fully. So there we are. The little finger is now completed and ready to join onto the rest of the hand. Now, if you're watching this as it's released, the next couple of issues have already been done. So join me very soon for the next lot and the final stretch to the completed gauntlet. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon for more. Bye-bye for now.